is a very makalat morning. Today is March 5 and we are rearranging things in here in our kitchen kasi Kai's birthday is coming and we need a lot of space kasi madami kaming bisita. We are just trying to what do you call this one? Fix everything where it's supposed to be kasi we have a lot of things that we didn't use, so we are planning to dispose it. But hindi pa namin natapon since next week pa kami magtatapon ng basura. I mean this coming Saturday. Kasi hindi na kami every week nagtatapon ng basura, guys. We are trying to to lessen our throwing para makatipid kami ng pagtatapon kasi every tapon we have to pay. I think it's like €1 or €2 for 60 liters. I am not quite sure. I'm preparing Kai's lunch. And lalagyan ko ng banana ang ni Dudong, ang kanyang yogurt. Sabi medyo mag-green pa. But it's okay kasi si Dudong, he has a wet poopish. Kasi nakailang laban na in this week. Ano lang yun, clothes lang ni Dudong. Kasi nalakihan na naman niya yung mga damit na binili namin last month. And by the way, welcome back to me sa pag-vlog. Na-motivate ako mag-vlog kasi tinanong ako kahapon ng kapatid ko, bakit hindi na ako nagba-vlog? Sabi ko, I was sick. So, last weekend, guys, we are all sick. Si Devin yung nagkasakit. Nagkaano siya, fever, sore throat, and diarrhea. Tapos, next is Dudong. Meron siyang diarrhea and fever. Nagpa-check up kami kay Dudong kasi umabot na ng 40 yung kanyang temperature. And for me, nagkasakit din ako ng 1 week, guys. Oh my God. Nag-40 ako and meron akong throat infection dahil sa aking flu. So, nagpa-doctor din ako. Niresetahan ako ng antibacterial. And I'm so glad na nadala lang ng antibacterial kasi pumunta kami doon ng 2 times in 1 week. Kasi first is for Dudong and then second is for me. Check lang ng doktor if anong meron sa throat ko. So, ayun. Wala akong tonsillitis. Akala ko kasi meron akong tonsil kasi ang sakit ng throat ko. Pero yung throat ko is red only. Nothing like there's no white. Pero nung malapit na akong ma-better or maayos in Bisaya is may nag-white sa throat ko. So, I think that was the bacteria. So, ang dami namin ganap last week and tapos, ayun, but before ako magkasakit, guys, naglakad-lakad pa kami sa dog park. Naglakad kami, may bago kami na-discover. Sinabi lang din sa amin ng friend ko. So, naglakad kami and then after that, pumunta sila dito sa bahay and after nilang umuwi, as in, nanginginig na ako sa lamig and ang lagnat ko is 3 or 4 days akong nag 40 degree. And Devin was so worried about me because hindi ako kumakain, guys. 5 days akong hindi kumakain. 4 days lang pala. 4 days akong walang kain dahil hindi talaga kaya sa aking sa throat ko na kumain talaga. So tubig lang ako ng tubig. Tapos wala na akong maisuka, guys, dahil sa tubig lang ang kinakain ko or iniinom ko, wala nang iba. And then I tried to eat some yogurt kasi yun yung easier, pero mas matamis yung yogurt or hindi maasim. Ito na lang si Dudong, sipon na lang ang meron siya ngayon. Yung sipon niya is green pa. Kahapon he is not feeling well. We are already expecting this one kasi he is going to the daycare. And in the daycare, madaming bata ang nagkakasakit. Nay. Kasit. Good job! Nagkakahawaan sila dun, guys. Pero, it's okay kasi it will build their immune system. Parang every week na nagkakasipon si Dudong. Ay, pal mo ng TV, be. Not eating properly ba? Nawalan talaga ako ng gana mag-vlog after kong magkasakit. Kasi, may i-edit pa ako, pero hindi ko na yun i-upload kasi, very late na. Anong date na ngayon? Last February pa yun. Dito rin kami natulog pala sa namin, guys, sa living room. Nagsalitan kami ni Devin noong isang gabi. Ako dito natulog, tapos kagabi si Devin dito siya natulog. Sabi ko, kailangan na natin magsalitan kasi, hindi ko na kaya, lalong-lalo na nag-work na ako 24 hours a week. Di ko na kaya na ako lang palagi. So, ayun. Tinutulungan naman ako ni paring Devin. And this baby? What this baby doing? Hello. Say hi. Well, you finished this one. This one is a lot and it has banana. Guys, kain muna ako ng aking breakfast/lunch. Alas 2 na pala. Bread to, guys, na may flash roux. Parang malalaking sausage. Tapos, nilalagyan ko siya ng aromat. Masarap siya pag may aromat. Mas better siya pag may aromat. Kundi walang lasa. You're done eating. You're done eating. Ano ako, guys? Kasi si Dudong, kakagising niya lang din. Natapos na din ako mag-work. Dan man ka eat, love. Dan man eat ng kay-kay. Hala, OA. OA si Kai-Kai. Tinransfer ko lang tong aming food na niluto ko kagabi, guys. Feeling siya para sa sarap. Ilalagay namin sarap. Yung palagi kong niluluto. Ilalagay siya with cucumber, spinach, bell pepper. Ayun, nilalagay siya. Kaso nga, si Devin kagabi, nag-emergency, sila ng mama niya. Grocery kasi, nasira yung ref ng mama niya at nasira yung mga laman. Nag-order lang si Devin kahapon, tapos naluto ko na to siya. So, hindi na namin kinain. Yeah. I know you wanna go here, but mama vacuum first. Mood, guys. Mabilisan lang. Wait lang. TV lang. Hey Siri. What's the temperature outside?
It's 14 degrees right now.
Ooh, lekker warm. Oh, it's nice weather outside, guys. It's 14 degrees. It's nice for a walk. But ayoko mag-walk. But I don't like to go out kasi preparing Kai, putting clothes on is difficult. Later when his papa arrive, then we can go. Big water ah. Big water. Where is Kai Kai? Guys, ang kulit na ni Dodong. Kasi lumabas ako kanina and kasi ni-lower down ko yung window para hindi makapasok yung yung sun. Para hindi masyadong mainit. And binuksan ko lang ang door. And ayun na siya. Gumapang na papuntang garden. Tapos, habang kumakain ako ng cookies and binigyan ko siya ng kanyang, kanyang snack, binawian ako ng cookies. Ayan, cookies ko yan. Binawian ako. Nagustuhan niya kaso madaming sugar yan. So, Kai will drink a lot of water after this. Gumawa ako ng coffee. The second coffee of the day. Kasi, nabili na ni Devon yung favorite ko na coffee na palagi kong iniinom. Yung dito namin ginagawa sa Senseo. Ito, ilang weeks itong wala sa Albert Heijn sa Yumbo sa Lidl. Nabili niya lang to kahapon sa Reve at apat na lang ang natira doon and hindi niya alam magkano to. Kasi usually nasa, hindi ko alam magkano to eh. But nag out of stock sila nito sa sabi nung staff sa sa Raven na daw to mawawala na to dito sa Netherlands. So ang mangyayari, bibili kami nito sa Germany and naka-backlog lang daw to sa mga orders nila kaya wala silang stock nito. Ito yung favorite ko na Senseo na na cappuccino. Very favorite ko kasi yung ibang flavor masyadong watery ito. Hindi siya masyadong watery. Very perfect lang siya para sa akin. Kasi kanina, nag-inom ako ng coffee kasi hindi ko na-enjoy kasi na-busy ako kay Dodong. Ako kay Dodong kasi nag-blow out na naman siya. Nagpa-surprise si Dodong sa akin. So, ang dinner ngayon ni Dodong is pasta. Hindi ko alam kung ano ilalagay ko. Maybe yung chicken na leftover namin from yesterday. And lalagyan ko siya ng egg. Parang pa carbonara style. Pero syempre, lulutuin natin maayos yung egg kasi baby pa si Dodong. Inaagahan ko na yung kanyang dinner guys kasi si Dodong nagiging fussy na siya pag nagugutom. So, nasisira yung night niya. TikTok ako kanina. Boogie! Go down! Gusto ko yung sayawin yan. Kaso nga, ayaw muna ni Devon. Wala siya sa mood makipag-TikTok sa akin. So, hinihintay ko lang siya para kaming dalawa ang mag-TikTok. Batang makulit. Batang makulit. Batang makulit. Batang makulit. What now? Batang makulit, batang makulit, batang makulit, batang makulit. We're waving, we're waving, we're waving. Now we stop. We're clapping, we're clapping, we're clapping, 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 we're clapping, we're clapping, we're clapping. Now we stop. Did you stop? We're twisting, we're twisting, we're twisting. Abe, ang kulit na talaga ni Dodong. Nag-aakyat-akyat na kung saan-saan. Kulit, ah! Gusto niya ng ball kasi yung nilalaro niya kanina, pumasok sa lalim ng sofa. Neat for you, Sanji. Nay, hawa. Don't put it. Oh. Careful. Very busy ang aking anak, guys. Just make a mess. Papa will clean it.
Yeah, but babe, I can't get in. It's locked.
What's locked?
The room. Oh yeah, what a mess.
What is that? Look at the smile.
Hondje, hondje. Okay.
Yeah? I just put it in there because it looks nice.
Yeah, but it doesn't stick, so he just instantly threw it all. Want to throw these in the oven?
Yeah, sure. It's here.
Do I need to wrap it again in the aluminum foil? Baba, black sheep. You know, are you gonna work tonight now?
Yeah.
No.
I need to fix
Do it tomorrow, you have 8 hours.
No, because I need your help.
Okay, I just want to explain you something for words.
Yeah, you can.
Sorry, it was a very bad joke.
Ekbar.
Today's the first day that I really don't feel anything in my throat anymore. And my nose is still a little bit stuffed. And yours?
I'm feeling better.
100% better?
Yeah.
Nice. You gonna finish your antibiotics? No, you already stopped.
No, I'm gonna drink it tonight. After sleeping.
So this morning?
Huh?
So next morning?
Oh.
Tomorrow, let's eat the bread and see if the flash was still good.
I ate the flash was today.
Still good?
Huh?
Was still good?
Oh. On your birthday lang. You will not have a cake smash on your birthday, but you're gonna have a cola party on your birthday.
Kinder Cola, do you have that in the Philippines?
Kinder Cola? Ekbar? Kinder Cola?
Look, we actually really have that in the Netherlands. Kinder Cola.
Oh? Oh, you wanted to...
Babe, look, ha 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 ha.
So you eat it like this?
It
Give me the
doesn't work.
sauce.
Nope, right?
Where's the remote?
Right?
And then you put your sauce. This sauce is the best in our own preference.
Blur it out until they sponsor you.
Or
Komkommer.
kumkumer. And I feel like eating onions. I'm also gonna add 1 onion.
That's wild.
And then you wrap it like lumpia or
You know what's
burrito.
missing in this one?
What?
Some sambal.
Do we have sambal?
Sambal ulek. I think we have, but not sure if that's a good one. Clapping, 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 clapping. Now we stop. Clapping, 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 clapping.